Hey traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. I hope you're having a good start to your week. Yesterday we didn't do a report as US markets were closed and overnight, and we didn't see a lot of momentum apart from the pound moving down after some comments coming out from Boris Johnson, the UK Prime Minister, regarding Brexit and possibly a no deal to trade deal with the EU. So that did send the pound lower. We will get to the pound in a moment. So at the moment we're looking at risk markets from a point of view that possibility of new moves higher. Early in the European session we are seeing some buying. So the Aussie really did nothing yesterday, as you can see that tiny little range candle there, and it was doing nothing as well really today until just recently we've seen some buying step in on the into the European session. So we can see a fair bit of buying at the moment, and we're going to see how that goes tonight if we do see a continuation. So decent moves starting to just come about now, and the euro as well is fighting back after a weaker session yesterday. And we'll get to the pound now. So we can see the move lower on the pound. So this really got going after we had some comments coming from the UK Prime Minister, and selling did set up today. We saw a break of yesterday's low, setting up a new weekly low, but at the moment we are seeing a bit of a pullback as we're seeing a bit of demand for risk at this stage in the European session. Now, what we do want to concentrate on the moment is stock indices, as US ones have come back online. So we'll start with the German 30. We can see some buying early in the European session. So at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the proper cash market will get going, and then we'll see if we can have a bit of a push higher, maybe retest 13,280. The key was yesterday we saw a really nice bullish buy yesterday, and we saw it just ended just around that high, but we are above that high now, and that bounced off a support point just there at that 12,900 to 12,905. So we do want to see price sort of hold above 13,034 down to 1300, just to show that momentum's going higher. And we can just see here now that the MAs are starting to tick up higher again. So anything below those two numbers before, or that 13,070 on the very short term, that's where we're looking for buyers to sort of hold to continue showing a bit of strength. So now just onto the US30, and we can just see that we've had that session on Friday, and that session yesterday I'm not taking too much from it as the cash market was closed, and now we are seeing some buying carrying forward. So we've got a fair bit of demand here, and we just want to see this price down here hold at 28,068, and then we do want to see 28,208 hold as well. So if we do see those two levels hold, we're just looking for basically maybe a tick higher to test some of that correction we saw last week. So if this does fail and we do see a move and close below this level, it starts to worry myself a little bit about the commitment of buyers, and if there is a lot more demand up in these areas than once was first thought from that 2-day pullback we saw last week. So we'll see how things go, and how things continue to form into tonight, and if we do see some momentum to get up to possibly test Friday's high around that 28.68. But while this point holds, we are looking for buying to continue, but like I said, if we do see a pullback and then a move below that, that is a bit of a worry. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoy the rest of your trading day, and until tomorrow, good trading and bye for now.